Hello. Just give me a minute or two, I'm just setting up everything still. I think we're gonna get the rotation matrix working tonight. Or at least get it converted to a quaternion. Here's hoping. Alright. So we got this working. This is the first 180 degrees. So then we've got to do the rest of these, which apparently covers the other 180 degrees. So we're going to disable this first. We're going to disable this so that we only test the one we're working on, and this way we can isolate any errors. Alright, so right.x would be, that would actually just be 0, 0. So this is doing negative forward z. I wonder if this is right or if it's supposed to be plus forward z. I'll have to mess around with that. My god, I hate matrix math. Okay. Minus forward.x. Alright, there we go. Let's see if this works. I'm guessing it won't work. Or or that there will be a bug that I will need to fix. It will be off in a certain way, just like how the roll was wrong on the other one. Alright, I gotta open up Steam VR. Alright, let's test if it works. Alright, so that's a very weird angle up top, but it seems like it's actually already close, which is good. I'm just looking at the left and right eye projection. I'm going to need to modify my the way my shader is to have that, to do that. That's okay though, that's easy enough. Okay. So it's really hard to tell what's wrong. If it was like this one, then flipping the Z negative, let's try that. So actually, let's see the Z. Try doing that one because it actually has the same values there. All right. Nope, that's still really off. I think I'll just try flipping each of them. Could also be this if statement is wrong. For quaternion rotation matrix to quaternion. Oh my god, I forgot to change the screen back, damn it. The axis and angle are directly coded in this matrix. Wait. This seems right. Wait. This actually looks really similar to the code I'm writing. Oh my god, I can't search the text. It's not text, it's a picture. Jesus. Oh no. Yeah, I actually think this is the same code. This is literally the same code. Bigger than M2. 0.5 divided by 1 plus that, which is right, and 0.25f divided by that, which is wrong. So this is actually supposed to be 0.2. Yeah, I have this wrong. Wait, let me check this. 0.5 divided by 1, 0.5, so then 0.25 divided by 0.5. Huh. So I guess I did have this wrong. The new revised code. Yeah, I'm not going to use this guy's revised code. I'm just going to take this code. Alright, now I'm going to see how that works. I think it's going to have the exact same effect. I just want to keep the code the same so that it's easier. Yeah, it didn't change a thing. Alright. Let's make sure this code actually matches up. M10 plus M01. Oh, so this actually does plus here. Interesting. Alright, now that matches up. See if it actually works now. Maybe the whole thing was just me copying the code wrong. Awesome. So that works. That's actually functioning, except for the yaw. So that means I'm going to try flipping, just like how I did negative here. I'm going to try doing negative here. Also, I'm going to do the same thing as here. Okay, something's broken. Oh my god, look at that. I don't even need to put the headset on to realize that was broken. Oh, I kept that B instead of S. There we go. No, so now everything's backwards. Let's see. Hey, Wildlife. Greetings. Got the matrix issue resolved? What was the issue? Not really resolved. I stopped trying to convert from matrix to quaternion or matrix to Euler angles, and instead I'm trying to convert to quaternions now, and I've got it working for the first 180 degrees. But yeah, so now I'm working on the other parts of it. I actually feel like I've made more progress than I have much before, though. So hopefully I'll actually get this rotation part done tonight. And then this will be like, once I figure out how to decode these matrices, these are how all the transforms are stored for the controllers and everything. So they're like, it'll be all good once I figure this out. Oops, what was that? I opened a little message thing there. Alright, let's try this. Alright, so yeah, it's a bit wonky. Alright, so think I have to flip one of these negative. At least that's what I had to do here to fix it. So we'll try. Seem to have to copy your shader on every change. Why not create a link to the original shader program? Oh yeah, I actually don't have to copy it. I just am really lazy and I just select the whole thing each time. The shader's not actually changing. I'm just in the habit of selecting all of it, or all the files. Alright, let's see. No. I wonder if I maybe have to flip any of these from positive to negative. I actually want to see if this original code, I believe this original code is from the Euclidean space thing. Yeah, it is, right here. So I want to see if the original code, yeah, so okay, the original code does do that. I'm actually going to try enabling this because I think that this might fix some of the times, like, since it does this if statement first, this might actually run where this would be broken sometimes. So I'll try flipping the B to here though. Alright, that's interesting. It's working completely, at least it appears to be, just on the one side. It doesn't seem like that code makes any difference. This code. So I'll just leave that for now. That seems like it's good. Actually, just to test, I'm going to try removing that and see if that breaks anything. Just to see if I had it right there and that's why I didn't notice any issues. Just so that I know exactly what's happening. so it looks like it breaks for a second there when it's looking straight down at the ground. Actually, just so I can isolate exactly where this is happening. Alright, that's a really awkward angle, but it works. It actually matches up. Hell yes. Okay. So this looks like it's gonna work. Oh my god, I'm excited. I've been trying to do this for like 3 days now. It's not every day now I get stuck on an issue like this. Okay, let's keep converting this. If M11 bigger than M22, so if forward. So actually, if this is if up Y bigger than forward Z. I wonder if I have this code wrong too. Let's see. Negative, positive, negative. Yeah, I had this one wrong too, damn. Thank God for this website Euclidean Space. Yeah, I consulted that site a lot. Oh man, I it's there's so many useful sites like these that don't have any view counters or anything. You really wonder how many people have used it. All right, so the Y here is the S times 0.5. Alright, let's see how this works. I wonder what angle this one will be at. I'm really interested in how this, like, this is actually super interesting to me. So this thing this right here covers 180 of the degrees of the quaternion. And then this covers an insanely small sliver that it corrects at, like, I guess that's like a gimbal lock. I'm wondering where this is going to be. Okay, wicked. That looks like it's the backwards 180 degrees. Except it's inverted right now. And interestingly enough, the roll was wrong in this one and we had to flip it. The roll is correct in this one and everything else is wrong. So... I guess I'm just going to try flipping signs here. I think I might have to flip two, though, if two different ways are wrong. We'll see. Oh, man, either way, I'm getting very excited because I'm getting very close. It's more than halfway working right now. More than halfway! Pray to the quaternion gods that are basically are in Jesus at this point. Alright, so the yaw is fixed now. The pitch is still broken, so I was right, I believe. I have to flip two of these. Nope, that was the roll. So, deduction says that the other one is... Wait, is it deduction or induction? I was thinking about the other day, what is... I'm gonna look that up in a second. Let me get this working, but... If you've tried all the options except for one, then you know it's the last option. Is that deduction or induction? If all the premises are true, the terms are clear. Inductive reasoning. Conclusion is reached reductively by applying general rules, narrowing the range until only the conclusion. Yeah, so okay, until we can induce. Wait, it's called inducing? I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, we know if it's not this one, then it's this one. Wow, it is working. I'm so excited right now. So this looks like it's just about done. I have the one last one to convert. I don't need any of this other code. I like how the IntelliSense thing here blocks the code I'm trying to read. That's really useful. Alright, that should be it. I don't know what angle this is going to cover, but it's probably going to be a very small one that's going to be very hard to check. Alright, so it looks like the yaw and pitch is wrong, but the roll, literally the exact same thing as the other one. The roll is right, but the yaw and pitch here are wrong. So, yaw, let me see if there's a relation between these two. 2 and 1. I don't think there's any relation there. Anyways, we'll just try it one by one just like last time. Oh my god, we're getting so close. And then one of the things I want to test is converting the quaternion to Euler angles. I want to see if that works. No, that seemed to mess up the roll. So the other ones here must be the yaw and pitch. Come on, this could be it. Actually, I don't know if I ran. Make sure I ran the latest program. Okay, come on. This is the last one, so if I get this working, this is it. So never mind, the pitch is actually right now, but the yaw is wrong. So I don't know which one was the pitch. Yeah, the yaw and pitch are still off. Or actually, maybe it's just the roll that's off now. It's actually so hard to tell because it's at this really weird downward angle. So like you can see it only, this conversion is only happening at a very specific point. And it's really hard to test in a headset. I really probably should have made some test ground for this, but I'm a stubborn bastard. Anyways, I'm almost done, so. Oh hell yeah, it works. All right. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, so now I should be able to combine these all together. And get perfect rotation. Fuck yeah! Oh yeah, I got it. Oh my god, that took so long. It's working. Oh, thank god. Okay. So now I'm gonna test quaternion to Euler or Euler. So I'm not gonna do that here. Do it right here. And then I'm going to change my shader again to use Euler angles, or Euler angles. How do you, oh man, I forget how to pronounce this again. Euler. Okay. So I had it right, like Euler. Alright, so we'll do a quaternion. Or, sorry. This backwards, yaw, pitch. Well, I think that's right. Okay. We'll see. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. This is now doing a new test. We're gonna try to convert the quaternion to an Euler angle. Euler. This way, so we just have a really easy way of accessing the data. I really want to be able to convert quaternions to Euler angles as well. Anyways, I've tested a bunch of to and from Euler angle stuff, so I'm pretty confident this will work. If it doesn't, I'm going to be pretty disappointed. Oh, look, it fucked up. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Maybe I messed up somewhere else. Oh, yeah, I did. I forgot to copy the shader. Over. And I don't need to copy the shader over. The same code is right here. I can just uncomment it. Looks messed up. Yeah, that is messed up. So, I have a shit. I'm sorry. I keep knocking my headphones out. I have a few ideas of what's wrong with this. It's the actual two Euler function, which could always be that. Very likely it is that. But like I said, I actually did a lot of testing from to Euler, and from Euler, and that seemed right. So if I had to guess, it's something with my shader rotation code here. So I'm gonna look. My rotation function here does yaw, pitch, roll. Maybe I'm supposed to do roll, pitch, yaw. So yeah, actually, I'm gonna try doing the opposite, doing the inverted rotation. Oh, wow, that looks right. Let me see. Alright, so that looks right. It's just flipped around somewhat. So that makes, so I think my quaternion function, wait, where is it? The way my quaternion function converts to Euler angles aren't, like the yaw pitch roll doesn't match up with the yaw pitch roll system that I do. Like either I have a different right-handed system or something like that. That's going to be something that I'm going to want to mess around with and get matching up. That is actually something though that I know I can test without putting it in VR. Either way, oh man, I'm so happy that I have this quaternion code right here. So what I'm actually going to do, oh man, so wait. I don't think I'm going to use this from matrix code here because I think it's actually broken. And either way, I can just take the code from here and fix it up or switch it to account for the positive z. And the 2 matrix here, it's really easy to get it upright and forward from a quaternion. Just a thought, I guess you know that comparing floats to 0 is problematic. Maybe add a small epsilon. Where did it compare it to 0? Like right here? A lot of times I compare to 0 like this, it's mostly just to make sure it's not dividing by 0, so it doesn't matter if it's a really small value. And right here it's supposed to compare to 0. Anyways, oh man, I'm so happy I have this quaternion function now, so I'm pretty sure, I haven't tested this as well, but I'm nearly positive that the next 3 values of this matrix that aren't used here are actually the transform in position, so then I can just get the head position from that. Oh man, then there's some other stuff I'm thinking about too, like I was looking at the projection matrix actually uses a bit shifted viewpoint for each eye. And so like the way I programmed my shaders before to do the 3D projection always has the window centered. So I'm actually going to need to add extra programming to account for that offset. But you know what? It's a little thing. Man, VR is fucking complicated, but I hope it'll be worth it. Well, not really that it'll be worth it. I'm just so excited to do this ray tracing stuff. I think ray tracing in VR is going to be so fun. Well, even right now, the test scene I'm using is like volumetric cubes. It's all glitched out, but it's still a cool effect, I think. Alright, I'm just rambling now. I'll be back again tomorrow. Hopefully fix up, finally, the last few things, get these Euler angles converted. I'm also going to try and do controller tracking tomorrow. I'm going to try and do the last few things for VR. The controller and head tracking should go together, controller and head position. But yeah, should be fun. I'm hoping to get it done tomorrow. I was saying I was going to get it done today, and then here we are. I'm just happy tonight that I got the quaternions done. Anyways, yeah, have a good night. Thanks for watching Wired Life. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. See you guys around.